guys, welcome to the another blog. So हम आज है सैटरडे और हम रेडी हो चुके हैं और आप देख सकते हो हाउ एम आई लुकिंग. इट्स गुड राइट. सो या सो मैं रेडी हो चुका हूँ हुडी पहन के. सी यहाँ पे ठंडी बहुत है. ऑलमोस्ट बाहर है 8. सो अब हम यहाँ से जाएंगे मेरी नेफ्यू के वहाँ पे और फिर वहाँ से वी प्लान समवेयर. सो वो आप इस व्लॉग में आगे देखते रहना हम कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं और आई विल शो यू मीन्स जहाँ पे भी मैं जा रहा हूँ वो सारी चीज़ें मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा. एंड विल यूज़ अ ट्यूब मोस्टली. सो विल सी how we are going because I don't know much. So I will just go to the tube station and I'll just find the destination by changing all the lanes and here and there, and then finally I will reach to the destination for sure. That I'm pretty much confident I will reach. Okay, so stay tuned with us and please do like, share, subscribe if you are not done. Okay, and see our UK journey. You will find it good only. Okay, bye bye. So going down. Oops, I think I locked my door. Not, let me check first. Okay, yeah, locked. You have to make sure all those things right. The reason is something will be stolen and it will be a problem. Okay, lift is waiting for me. Zero down. Okay, yeah, so down Harshita is waiting for us. So from this hotel it's kind of very much near this tube station Royal Albert. From there we'll go to the destinations.
We are on the way to Western Central Station.
Okay, from there we'll go to my nephew's place and from there we'll go somewhere else. So as I said before, you can just stay tuned with us. So now you will see our tube journey, how it's quite difficult or easy for us, I don't know, we'll see. हाँ, हमने यहाँ से अपना जर्नी स्टार्ट किया अभी. रॉयल अल्बर्ट, क्वींस एग्जेंट एंड देन कस्टम हाउस, रॉयल विक्टोरिया एंड देन कैनिंग टाउन पे हम उतर जाएंगे नीचे. वहाँ से फिर प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 5 पकड़ के आगे की जर्नी स्टार्ट करेंगे ट्यूब में. ट्यूब इज़ काइंड ऑफ लाइक बेंगलोर मेट्रो, एनी इट्स काइंड ऑफ मेट्रो, बट यहाँ पे क्या है ट्यूब थोड़ी अंदर की साइड पे और इट्स शेप लाइक ट्यूब, सो इसलिए बोलते हैं ट्यूब. ऐसा कुछ है नहीं खास, रॉकेट साइंस वाला बात है ना. चलिए बने रहिए फिर और विल सी यू. सो अब पहुँच गए हैं कैनिंग टाउन और यहाँ से हम टूवर्ड्स जुबली लाइन टू ब्लेम पार्क राइट. वो वाला ट्रेन पकड़ेंगे, वहाँ से ब्लेम पार्क में उतरेंगे, वहाँ से और एक दूसरा ट्रेन पकड़ेंगे. इसलिए ट्रेन समझ लेना कि वो ट्यूब बोल रहा हूँ मैं. सो डोंट बी कंफ्यूज विद द ट्रेन एंड ट्यूब. मेट्रो. ओके, सो आपको मैं बाहर का पीछे का दिखाता हूँ पूरा व्यू कैसा है यहाँ से कैनिंग टाउन के पीछे. होटल एबीज ऑल दोस थिंग्स है. सो आप देखिए वो.
I hear the beat, it's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over.
एलिवेटर कितना बड़ा, खत्म ही नहीं होता है. यहाँ पे एक रूल है एक्चुअली, आपको खड़े रहना है तो राइट साइड पे खड़े रहिए और चलना है तो देखो इस साइड पे जगह रखिए लेफ्ट साइड में. वो लोग ऊपर चढ़ेंगे, एलिवेटर चलेगा, वो चढ़ेंगे. यहाँ पे मेरे को एक चीज़ समझ में नहीं आता, पब्लिक इतनी भागती है ना भाई. देखो खुद का व्हीकल होने के बाद भी ये लोग खुद का व्हीकल लेके कहीं पे नहीं जाते. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली दे विल यूज़ द पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट. और आप देखना पब्लिक इतना जोरों से भागती है, चलते नहीं है. जैसे हमको कंपेयर करना है लोग से तो बहुत दौड़ना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज वी कैन. भाई यहाँ पे ट्रेन में घूमना मीन्स इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट, बहुत ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. एक एप्लीकेशन है, कौन सी, सिटी मैपर, तो वो यूज़ कर सकते हो आप लोग कि जैसे कि कहीं पे भी घूमना है तो इजी हो जाएगा, अदरवाइज वेरी डिफिकल्ट मैन। ओके, नाउ मुझे पकड़ना है मेट्रोपॉलिटन लाइन और वहाँ से जाएंगे हम डेस्टिनेशन पे। सी दो ऑलमोस्ट मे बी 200 फीट अंदर चलती है यहाँ पे ट्रेन। देखिए कितना, बाप रे, इतना बड़ा एलिवेटर है। अब मेरे पीछे देखना पब्लिक कैसे भागती है, फटाफट फटाफट। वही है कि यहाँ पे किसी का टाइम नहीं, टाइम बाउंडेड है लोग कि बस भागना है पागलों की तरह। आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई। सी ओके, यहाँ पे लोग क्या बोलते हैं, ट्रेन में भी साइकिल लेके घुस जाते हैं, फिर स्कूटर वीटर कुछ भी। गाइस, सो वेम्बले पार्क पहुँच गए हैं और यहाँ से हमको जाना है वेम्बले पार्क स्टेशन। सो मेरे को ऐसे जानवी ने ऐसा बताया कि भाई वो अंकल बंद है, उसमें देखता हूँ एक बार, सपोज़ करो बंद होगा तो मैं उसको यहीं पे बुला लूँगा और देन यहाँ से हम लोग जाएंगे। ओके, तो वेम्बले पार्क पे उतरना ही पड़ा है बिकॉज वो आगे का ट्रेन नहीं मिल रहा है, वो स्टॉप है। सो अभी जानवी आएगी पिकअप करने के लिए हम लोगों को और हम जाएंगे वेम्बले पार्क स्टेशन, सेंट्रल स्टेशन, राइट। ओके, वहाँ पे जाके कुछ खाएंगे, गुजराती खाना है ना। खाओगी गुजराती? यू ईट गुजराती और नॉट? हाँ, ओके, यू मस्ट हैव टू, देयर इज नो ऑप्शन फॉर यू। कितना ठंडा है अभी, 11 बजे, नहीं 11 नहीं 1 बजा है। ओके, सो विल सी, विल वेट फॉर सम टाइम। सो यहाँ पे है कॉलेज ऑफ नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न लंदन। देखिए कितने बड़े बड़े बिल्डिंग्स, वही है उसका यहाँ पे लंदन, जैसे कि कोई भी यूके में स्कॉटलैंड ले लो, लंदन ले लो, तो हेरिटेज जो उनका स्ट्रक्चर है ना, बिल्डिंग स्ट्रक्चर बड़ा बड़ा, बस वही है। सी ये जो वेम्बले पार्क है उसका नाम कैसे मिला, बिगर देन द एफिल टावर, ये क्या था, ये सारी चीज़ें हैं यहाँ पे। पॉज योर वीडियो एंड चेक इट आउट।
See, building Eiffel Tower in Paris that is built by Vactin Works. He wanted to build a one which is little bigger. So he did something called Wembley Park Station. That is here.
Oh, for sure. Okay.
Not sure we'll get chance to visit Eiffel Tower. At least we can visit this one.
Pops. Okay. She's like eagerly waiting to enter Paris and just check the Eiffel Tower. So not sure, but here we'll see. If let Janvi came, we'll see what she's telling and all those things. Right? Because she's staying here, right? So she knows the things. Wait. See who is coming? See, two beautiful ladies, girls. I can see. I talk with your mother. तो तारी मम्मी एम के ચોખ્ખું કહો એના જોડે વ્લોગ બનાવો છું. સી રક્ષા ભાભી આ રહી તમારી જાનવી, જલસા કરે જલસા. બાકી જો કપડો બપડો પહેરીને આવી ગઈ છે, ટણાટણ એન્ટ્રી બંધ થઈ. This is for you, Daksha Bhabhi. If it is costly here, I don't want to shop anything. I want cheaper one. Where we'll get it easy. How will come? We can go. I don't have any issue. I can go. I just need to. What I need to do is I just need to follow Janvi, and that's it. Okay.
You are dependent on a wrong person.
No. I trust you.
You don't have any other option, that's why.
No. It's not like that. I can go my own. But now you are here, so I'll trust you for 100%. And I know you cannot do anything.
for starting lately.
No. She knows me from last 24 years,
Oh,
right? You know me, right? See, Harshita, the kids inside you, right? The same kids there inside her. She's like, see, now here you can see, right, some serious Janvi. If you are at a village, na, then you can see, oh, Janvi, child, small kid, she'll do here and there, so, but she'll cry. Cry, na?
I don't cry.
Oops. See the accent within 1 year. She changed a lot, and the accent is changed. The English. I never thought that my nephew will speak in English, because I even not thought I will speak in English. But now see, we are speaking English from small village called Khodam. Am I right? Okay, and we are proud of. So this place.
It's over in Wembley. Many big artists performed here.
Okay. And who else? SRK.
No.
Badshah.
Badshah, Islam. And there was Gaba as well over here. Who performed in that? I don't remember the name of the artist, but it was Gujarati.
Okay. So basically Gujarati Garbas also like perform here by some of the artists, but we are not sure. She is not sure who are those, because now she is breathing. Wow. See, I am not feeling shy. See, for me, right, people like me, they are not looking good. You guys are, see, these girls are looking good, but still they are feeling shy in front of camera. I don't know why. You should not. See, she's like now, she's pretty much comfortable. You are comfortable, right? Talking in front of camera. Okay. So what was the plan? So first of all, we'll have the lunch, and then.
Indian Gujarati lunch, then we're gonna go.
But she won't. She might be like the South Indian rice.
Yeah, you can.
No, I say I thought maybe Gujarati side rice. I don't know. Now that
We'll see.
okay, and she is also in then. And the next we'll go to Central London, and then
Then we're gonna go to
Upper Store. Then we'll buy phone. Some game. Will not come. And I can cut it out.
If you will buy, you can't cut this, okay?
Do you think, Jani, I have capability to buy the iPhone 16 Max?
Yeah, of course you have.
No, man. I don't. Small guy, small village. But yeah, she is Gouda. Gouda has the capability to do anything.
Please try this.
No need to cut. Okay, so we'll go to some shoe shop.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay. We are deciding something. We'll see. So अब हम जा रहे हैं रीवा और प्राति के लिए मेकअप लेने के लिए. क्या लेंगे मेकअप में?
I don't know even what we have makeup. I don't use makeup, but we'll take basic things like lipstick.
Sure. Okay. So, okay, what is that? Guess USA. Okay, so we'll go with the basic things like okay, it's a beauty outlet. Okay, so we are going inside beauty outlet and see what we'll purchase. Not sure. So lipstick and what else? What else?
I don't know.
Hey, you should know, man.
Figure it out there.
No.
You know that what your daughter sees.
Hey, they most probably I saw lipstick wherever we go out on the beauty product. Then she'll hold the lipstick and then she'll not leave it alone. उसको चाहिए lipstick. Okay, चलो, go inside then. हाँ बेसिकली वो पूरी सारी चीज़ें मेरी बेटी के लिए उनके लिए खरीद रही है। यहाँ पे कुछ ब्यूटी आउटलेट है नियर दिस अमिचर टावर पार्क। सो अच्छा है, पूरी सारी ब्रांड है यहाँ पे जितना भी चाहिए। और जैसे लग रहा है कि जैसे ये बाहर से मीन्स इट्स काइंड ऑफ ओपन मॉल। अच्छा है, चीज़ें ले सकते हो आप यहाँ से। इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट मच कॉस्टली इवन, इट्स अंडर द मिडिल क्लास पीपल, यू कैन परचेज इट। ओके या हम देखते हैं अभी सारी चीज़ें लेके बाहर निकल के। सी यू सून। ये सब लिपस्टिक एलिजाबेथ आर्डन लिपस्टिक। इज दिस लिपस्टिक और नील पॉलिश? हाँ नील पॉलिश है ना? ओके UK
You have planned
And-
to stay here itself?
she won't. Hey, this is the hotel Holiday Inn. See, this is the
Which
same
one is
hotel.
yours?
No,
Same.
not this
Holiday
one,
Inn
but Holiday Inn Express. This is a hotel where we were actually staying in the zone 3. This is in zone 4, Holiday Inn.
There won't be
But
no.
see the car, man. Cars are not even. You will not see any Maruti Suzuki 800. No small car. All are premium cars. See, people used to walk a lot. Okay, so we are going into bus. A casino is there. You want to go? Okay. So we are at Wembley Central Station. Okay. अब हम जाएंगे खाना खाने के लिए। गुजराती खाना है ना?
हाँ,
श्योर ना?
Indian.
नॉट इंडियन, गुजराती स्पेशल।
Gujarati.
डू यू थिंक गाइस दिस गर्ल नोइंग गुजराती? Because she is not at all speaking Gujarati because of her only. આવડે છે. ઓકે તો ઠીક, મને આવડે છે બહુ બધું ગુજરાતી.
मैं तो गुजराती ही बोली है.
सी પેલી છોકરી वो लड़की इसको टणी है तो टणी इसके पास रहे बस, जैसा लगा सुरती है सुरती ऐसे बोलते हैं, टणी है तो टणी इसके पास रहे बस.
प्रॉपर देसी भाषा बोले हम लोग. प्रॉपर.
હું છું ને દેશી એકદમ, મારી ભાષા કે વિદેશી.
આપણે તો
See.
નોર્મલ ગુજરાતી બોલીએ.
હા.
અમુક તો આમ પ્રોપર ગામડા.
Now guys you can see the
Husala.
background. Husala. See.
આ પ્લેસ છે
હા.
શ્રી ધાબા. અહીંયા ગુજરાતી મળશે જે ખાવું હોય. આગળ બી એક છે. કઈ જગ્યાએ જવું જોઈએ?
તું જે કહ્યો તો તને જાદુ સારું થયો હોય તો.
અહીંયા હું ગઈ નથી. બટ સારું હોય છે એવું સાંભળ્યું છે.
Bank of Baroda is there.
Hey, it's my bank man. Bank of Baroda is here.
રસ્તામાં છીએ.
અહીંયા જવું છે કે અહીંયા જવું છે આપણે?
ક્યાં જવું છે તમને?
Tell me man. This is the one of the restaurant and another one. Where is the another one? Chalo. We'll go there then. I don't have good vibes from this. Okay, see the structure man. This is the difference from India. कि भाई सारे घर एक जैसे होते हैं और कुछ होता नहीं और बहुत पुराने. चलो let's go. We are crossing the road now. हाँ, they are very disciplined. Go fast. Madras restaurant watch. Okay guys, कार देखो यार. ओ बाप रे, क्या कार है भाई. और ऐसा लग रहा है ना कि एरिया है ना जैसे पूरे गुजराती. अब कुछ सी गुजराती ऑल गुजरातीज. डोसा एक्सप्रेस.
Say no?
See, Pritam, if you will watch this, you are watching this video, this is for the Dosa Express. Puri dosa also will get here. So
There's one more in over there. They sell the best.
okay. Hey, see, the thing is, we want to go where you already went. Okay.
This
So we don't want to experiment for some. We need a good food. That's it. Okay. Then we'll go there.
you can see the menu.
Okay. So the Raj Darbar. See guys, this is the menu.
It's too small.
चलो चलो खाना खाएंगे. हाँ ओके ले ले वांदो नहीं. Sit somewhere. Oh yeah. See બધા ગુજરાતી. Yeah, we'll sit here. Butter naan for me. So maybe ये वीडियो ऐसा उल्टा पुल्टा आएगा बिकॉज मैंने नो बाजरी रोटलो नहीं આપણે બાજરી રોટલો નહીં ખાવું.
No, stop. After ordering, you can tell. We have ordered so and so.
Dal.
Dal. So
Dal for
basically we have to order everything in a single shot, is it?
It's fine. You can order.
In between, right? Yeah. So we can go with the first paneer tikka and all those things, right? And then or later we any papad, roasted papad, masala papad, anything, a starter, something.
Starters we'll see, no?
You can check it out.
Do you want any starter?
Planning
We choose
over.
the bean paste first.
Hey, same.
What you want?
Some different starters.
Starter. There are like
Let me also try.
Hey, vada pav is not starter, man. It's
Chats.
right. I cannot see any starter here. From our end, the very expensive thing, expensive two things we are trying to purchase there. Maybe we'll purchase or not. Just stay tuned with us, and you will see. You'll be happy, right? You'll after seeing man, all of a sudden two big things, and that might be. She'll give to me. You'll give to me. Yeah, she'll give to me. Okay, we'll see that. है ना? चलो. Bye. It's all about Christmas. This is Oxford Street. You'll see the bus is Janvi, bus with Janvi. You can see. Oh, wow, I saw her happy today.
Oh, I thought you meant her boyfriend.
Light.
Everybody, this is we're like the tour guide. Guys, this
Where is she? Where?
just find a corner and then I look for the location.
Yeah, stand there. Stand here. Go that side.
In the name of Jesus, and your life will never remain the same. Just call upon the name of Jesus Christ. Just call upon the name of Jesus. And your life will never remain.
In some time, I told you before, मैंने बोला था कि मैं क्या सरप्राइज देने वाला हूँ. So you can see the surprise now. Okay. So wait for a while. Or I will show you what the big surprise were in some time with just a logo. Just guess the thing. Guess कर सकते हो और भेजो. चलो कमेंट करो और गैस करो. मैंने आपको इतना तो एकदम हिंट दे दिया है कि जस्ट लोगो पे से यू विल अंडरस्टैंड what might be the surprise is. Chalo. See.
Porque lo tomo esto como que el hombre se encuentra ahorita de Parral. Imagino que esta carne está buena, porque nadie ha regresado.
As I told you before, surprise. So ये है surprise का logo. Check it out. Okay.
Thanks.
Can you take the video?
Not with me. You can do it, dude.
Yeah, mine only. Okay.
Cool. So 16 Pro Max 256 Desert. Do you want to have a look at cases while you're here?
What's the price?
के बगड़े के टूटे तो they will give
Okay.
you
So okay.
care.
Care warranty ये तो आप प्रत्याय लई केस, right? So I will not go for any.
You can add it later anyway.
What?
You can add it later.
Pachi add
I will do that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What happened?
Do you want to pay card, yeah? 1199.
Yeah.
Can't pay with Oyster card, man. You got that on camera, right?
Yeah.
You got that on camera.
Yeah.
Trying to pay with the Oyster card.
Will be.
You can pay with this one. Yeah, this should work. Yeah. For your feeling, man.
Done. Done.
What is this? You should call me, no?
I thought you are there now. We are not still open. It is there.
We didn't open.
We are not
How much
open.
it is?
1200.
Email, please, mate. That's for receipt. For the receipt. For your email, yeah?
Email.
My email.
Put the one you use mostly. Where will we get the bills and all?
Send it now.
We can't get the physical
If you want.
Yeah, we
copy.
need.
Yeah, we want it.
It will be. It has the international launch, right?
Yeah. That's worldwide. You need a bag as well, yeah?
Yes, please.
Whatever will be free, right? We'll give it. We'll not ask you no. Okay, we'll say yes only. Anything free?
Yeah, the
Welcome.
bag is free, so I'll get you a bag.
Yeah, it will be then most welcome for that.
Thank you, sir. Hold on to that. I'll be back with your receipt in a moment.
No problem. This is the surprise I was talking about. मैंने बोला था मैं एक छोटा सा सरप्राइज दूंगा. दिस इज द सरप्राइज. सो हमने एक नया फ़ोन ले लिया है. वो है iPhone 16 Pro Max. तो 6 GB का है. और यहाँ पे मेरे को मिला है ऑलमोस्ट 1200 pounds. So this is good. And even my nephew is also, she is very happy now. See. And as per her instruction, मैंने ये फ़ोन लिया है कि उसको ही चाहिए था कि ये कलर चाहिए. ओके, सो लेट्स वेट फॉर हर्षिता. हैप्पीनेस. सी दिस इज हाउ वी कैन डू द डील. कम पे फिनिश्ड. मुझे इतना पता ही नहीं मेरे बारे में कि मेरे को कभी किसी ने कोई गिफ्ट दिया है कि नहीं दिया है. कोई भी नहीं देता है मेरे को. आई डोंट नो व्हाई, बट ठीक है, मेहनत करेंगे, कमाएंगे और लाएंगे. सी इज ऑल्सो हैविंग गुड फोन. आई डोंट नो दिस फोन नीड्स टू बी शोकेस टू हर मदर फादर और नॉट, बट एज शी सेइंग नो, I will not. I'll cut this thing. I will cut this portion. This kind of surprise.
If you're gonna take both of my other phones, then I will tell them that I got another phone.
See.
I told them I'm
See.
gonna get it, but I didn't.
So the thing is कि भाई ये जो फ़ोन वोन है ना, सही बात है, यहाँ पे रहते हैं तो लेना है, अच्छा फ़ोन चाहिए, राइट. शी बॉट इट. इसमें कोई वो वाली बात नहीं है कि नहीं लेना चाहिए, सही है. और मेरे को भी गिफ्ट दिया इसने. थैंक यू बेटा, थैंक यू. गिफ्ट gift from Janvi. So this is my this is very good. It's working too good. Everything is
It's
okay.
gonna go in bin soon.
But dustbin, huh? No. Done. So ये गया दूसरा. अभी सोचा नहीं था मैंने कि मैं इसे कहाँ पे यूके में आके फोन लूँगा. See, this is the phone.
Congratulations for
Now
celebration.
see, this I can do like this. I
Wow.
can make it turn on. Can I?
Congratulations.
This is for turn on. Turn on. मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था जब इतना दूर अंदर से इमोशनल हो रहा हूँ कि भाई यहाँ मेरे गांव से बाहर वहाँ से इतना दूर यहाँ पे आई कैन बी विद अ सिंगल शॉट एंड ऐसा फ़ोन लेने का आई डोंट नो बट somehow I am feeling good, somehow feeling proud, somehow somewhat emotional. So it's proud moment for me somehow.
You came from India to UK to purchase 16 Pro Max. Such a good
So-
thing.
So that's the thing is okay. So do like, share, subscribe to the channel. So now we'll just stop it here because this vlog will be a bit long. So I don't want to like bore you. And we'll still see you in the next vlog. Bye bye. See you.
Stay tuned. Bye. Say bye.